Hey guys, welcome to Artsy Studio. I'm Kara.
And I'm Kason.
What are we celebrating today, Kason?
Earth Day.
We are. Happy Earth Day to you. Yes, so we're celebrating Earth Day this week. And what are we going to draw, Kason?
We're going to draw a turtle.
We're going to draw some sea turtles. So let's see. Can you see our turtles? Yes, so we are drawing sea turtles. Why are we going to use sea turtles to celebrate Earth Day, Kason?
Because they're endangered.
Yes, about 6 of the 7 species of sea turtles are either threatened or endangered. And why?
Because people are throwing some garbage into the water.
Yeah, so garbage that's loose makes its way into the water and is killing off some of the sea turtles, as well as fishermen's nets and all sorts of stuff. So watch where you're putting your trash, clean it up. If you see trash on the side of the road, pick it up, and let's save our planet, right?
Yep.
Okay, but today we are going to draw this awesome sea turtle. Are you guys ready to follow along with us step by step and get artsy? Okay guys, so today we are going to be making an amazing little sea turtle. And so we are going to need some oil pastels today. We're going to be using oil pastels and we are going to be using construction paper. So I just picked out a sheet of blue construction paper. I have it laying out here, landscape. So we want it long ways, which is what we call landscape. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to grab your brown oil pastel. And you are going to make a big oval in the center of our page. And we kind of want it going diagonal. So you're going to start out by making a big oval. So oval is just a very large squished circle. And then we're going to make another oval inside that circle. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some lines here in the inside the center oval. So we're going to start out with a line here. We're going to start out with a line here, and then I'm going to put another line here. So 3 lines. Then we're going to make house tops. So we're just going to make a line that goes up and then connects back down to this line, so it looks like we're drawing a house. And then I'm going to make another line that comes off of this one and down here. So we made a house top. Then I'm just going to pretend like that line's going off here. And I'm going to make another house top over here. It's like this is the end of the line. Then I'm going to flip my page over and I'm going to do the same with the other side. So house top, house top, house top, house top. So it's like almost like we're making a soccer ball shape in here. Then I'm going to take lines off the top of the house tops from here. I'm going to make a line here, 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 and then I'm going to make a line coming for the bottom here, here, and here. And so that's our fun turtle shell here. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to do the head and the fin. So I'm going to grab my bright green and I am going to I'm going to turn my page tall ways just to do this part of the drawing. And then I'm going to make curved lines coming off my turtle. So just a little curved line curving down and then another one coming down this way. So these are his little fins. And from the edge here where we ended our curved line, we're going to make a scalloped line that goes back to the shell. So a scalloped line looks like this. One little curve up, Cute little curves, or like you're making waves. So whoop, whoop. And you're going to do the same thing, but going this way. Whoop, whoop. And that makes a fun little fin. And you're going to do 2 more here at the bottom. So I'm going to go make my curve line nice and long here. And then I'm going to curve up and curve up. Same thing on this one. Curve down. And make my scallop. And these cute little fins. And we're going to turn the page back around. We're going to do his head. So we're basically making another oval shape, but we're not going to round it at the end. It's going to start from the shell and it's going to come out, and then we're going to come back around. So we didn't really finish it. So almost a whole oval shape, but we're not finishing this back part here. And then we're just going to draw another frowny face line. So I'm just like a frowny face right here for his head. Then I want to do a half circle. I'm going to get his eye in here. In bright green. I'm going to grab my black and go inside the eye here. And then go on the outside again. So now you're just going to color in all the green here. We're just going to color it in. Makes it nice and bright. Okay, so now that all your little green fins are drawn in, we're going to take darker colors of green and we're going to make splotches. So just going to put some, he has almost polka dots going on his fins. See his cute little fins and his polka dots. Put as many as you want. I'm going to put some polka dots on his face. I'm just going to kind of outline that frowny face curve so his head really pops. And then all of his fins and face are done. So now we're going to move on to the shell. So we're going to take our brown. We're going to take our golden brown here. And we're going to go around where we put that inner circle or inner oval inside our oval. We're just going to color around this with this pretty golden color. And we're going to go inside each one of these little shapes here. And color a little bit of gold. Now we're going to add some more colors to the shell. So I'm going to go back over it with a little bit of the brown. And then I'm going to add a little bit of a dark green. Right on top. And I'm going to go around the outside. Circle it again, just with a little bit of brown. Just so it's not so bright. And then our turtle is done. So we are just going to add a few more final touches here. We are going to make some bubbles here coming off the turtle's head. Looks like he's making some bubbles, and they're just going to keep on getting bigger and bigger. As they come up. So it looks like he's in the ocean. So I did some with white, and then I'm going to use like a light blue. I'm going to go inside some with a light blue. Went up and made us a cute little bubbly turtle. I think I'm going to add some more bubbles. Just going to make them go all the way up. And then you guys are done. Isn't that the cutest little turtle?
Of course.
Thank you guys for following along with us and getting artsy. That was awesome. We cannot wait to see your art. If you'd like to share it with us, you can do so by sending it to www.artsystudio.com. And if you want to share it to us on Instagram, tag us at Artsy Studio. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please subscribe. And what else, Kason? Don't forget to comment below. Hey, Kason, you want to show them your art?
Yep.
See how awesome Kason's turtle turned out? It's so cute. And you can show my final piece. Ah, sorry, it's windy outside. Show them my final piece. So you see, the turtles all turn out different, but they're all awesome. So we cannot wait to see your art, and we'll see you next time. Bye!